Hello there, folks. Christmas came early for Junior here, so let's see what he got.
Ooh, taillights.
Whoa, chrome tail lights. Wow. And they're going on the Mustang. Yeah, our neighbor decided to give us a little shot here on the side. Yeah, right there. And in the state that I live in, they won't pass inspection on it. Well, it was cheaper to get that one than it was to buy the original equipment. Well, either way, I'm going to start working here on the inside, and it goes behind here. Back there's like 4 bolts. So I guess I'm going to have to take this panel apart here. Where is it? I'm trying to get you a good angle here. Yeah, here it is. That one, 2, there's another one here, and one more here at the end. I'll take that and take him out. Well, let's see. Right here. Oh boy, that's one. And next one, yeah, after the first one, I guess the rest of them are easy. It's 2. Lucky it's shot inside the truck here somewhere. And number 3 coming up. And number 4. It's shot in here somewhere, but hey, at least it's in here. Well, as you can see, the panel just falls off, and then this falls off. Pull it out right from under, and here we go. Just like that. Just like that, folks. And what the heck is this? Whoa. Power steering. Never heard of it. Then again. Oh well. Oh, right here, folks. There are 4 of these. Where am I? Ah, right here, 4 of these. 1 here, 1 there, 1 down here, and another one back there inside that one little hole. Yeah. So, okay. I believe this is 11mm nut. So we'll take them off, and then I'll turn you guys back on. Okay, folks, we put it on. Took about a half hour. It was in the back. There were like 4 nuts holding it in. There were 11mm. Took them off, unplugged the wire, pushed it through, hooked up the new ones, pushed it all back in. Half hour. That's all it was. Half hour. Okay, Junior, turn it on. Let's show the folks where they work. That's it. Turn the left turn signal. All right, how about the right one? Try the left one again. Yep, it works. Now there it goes, folks. Half hour later and you can customize your car. Oh well. If it wasn't for my neighbor, we wouldn't have been doing this. Alright, till next time, folks. Later.